we as doctors have been crying, screaming on the top of our lungs regarding how lots of insurance companies are denying claims on a daily basis.
Mm,
And ultimately, the bottom line is it's just that these issues have just resurfaced because of these incidents. But this
right.
has been going on for decades and years, and in fact, it's getting worse.
Well, that's the thing. Is it getting worse? And speaking of being clear, I want to be clear. Nobody's justifying violence, the killing of someone in cold blood in the New York City street, but it is highlighting these issues. To your point, what about it is getting worse?
Well, ultimately, here's the bottom line is when we as physicians order certain tests, whether it's for a patient going through chemotherapy or even something as simple as a mammogram, we're getting what's called a denial. This patient cannot get the mammogram unless you do something called a prior authorization.
Right.
And a prior authorization basically simply means giving the insurance company the ability to get back in the driver's seat and decide if they are going to pay for a procedure or not.
When
And
you
we're not just
started, though,
talking
was
about,
that happening less? In other words, that's happening more now?
I think it's happening more now. I mean, I'm in my 20th year of practicing as a primary care physician, and I can remember way back when I was a resident how this was an issue. But
Wow.
now, we sometimes wonder as physicians, is it artificial intelligence that's the doctor, or is it people like us that are
I,
trying to advocate for our patients?